Okay, write down. Continue next line. So next two terms. So for 4, 10, 16, 22, and so on. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Next two terms. No? First, for example, first term. First term A is equal to A1. That is 4. So next two terms means A5, A1 plus A4 plus D. A4 plus D. So A4 value 22 plus D value, how much more? Common difference is same 6. That is 28. Next term A6, A5 plus D. So A5 value 28 plus D 6. 34. Okay, na? Write down. Second question. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 and so on. Same given list of numbers. Given list of numbers. One minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 and so on. So comparing A1 1, A2 minus 1, A3 minus 3, A4 minus 5. To check common difference. To check common difference, A2 minus A1. Jagrathama. A2 value minus 1. Formula lo minus undi. A1 value 1 minus 2. A3 minus A2. A3 value minus 3 minus of A2 value again minus ma. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Next. A4 minus A3. Minus 5 minus of minus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. Since common difference same, is same in each time. To find remaining two terms, already what given? A4 varaki charma minus 5. So A5, A4 plus D common difference. So A4 plus D, A4 value minus 5, common difference minus 2, minus 7. A6, A5 plus D, minus 7, minus 2, minus 9. Okay, write down. Understood? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 తో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటాం టు చెక్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్. A2 minus A1. Please observe ma. A2 value 2 minus of minus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. A3 minus A2. A3 value minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. ikkane clarity ga artham avutundi ma. Since Common difference is not same. Is not same. So, given list of numbers is not form an AP. Form an AP. So next, did not find out the A6 and A7 values. Find out chedam. Okay, write down. So next question. 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 and so on. Okay, do homework, ma. Okay. So, thank you.
Yes.